a swirling vortex of dust and debris, a force of nature capable of unimaginable destruction. This is the awe-inspiring yet terrifying power of a tornado, but amidst the chaos, a sound pierces the air, a beacon of warning, a call to seek shelter from the impending danger. Our story begins in Tornado Alley, where the clash of warm, humid air from the Gulf of Mexico and cool, dry air from the Rockies creates a volatile breeding ground for these destructive storms. Before modern technology, people relied on visual cues, the ominous darkening of the sky, the telltale funnel cloud, to anticipate a tornado's wrath. The need for a more reliable, far-reaching warning system became tragically clear in the wake of devastating tornadoes. The first attempts at tornado warnings were rudimentary, often involving church bells or factory whistles. Enter the tornado siren, a technological marvel that would revolutionize severe weather preparedness. The earliest versions, developed in the early 20th century, were often hand-cranked or powered by small engines. Over the decades, tornado sirens have undergone a remarkable transformation, evolving into electric sirens with greater power and range. The story of the tornado siren is intricately linked with the ingenuity of countless individuals who dedicated their lives to improving public safety. One such pioneer was Frederick Griffith, who patented the first electric siren in 1902. Another key figure was Joseph Donohoe, who in the 1940s designed a siren specifically for severe weather warnings. Donohoe's siren, known as the Thunderbolt, featured a distinctive three-tone signal that became synonymous with impending tornadoes. These early pioneers faced numerous challenges in their quest to create an effective warning system. Despite these challenges, the pioneers of tornado siren technology persevered, driven by a deep commitment to public safety. Their innovations paved the way for the sophisticated warning systems we rely on today. The legacy of these pioneers extends far beyond the sirens themselves. Their work serves as a timeless reminder that even in the face of adversity, human ingenuity and determination can prevail. In today's digital age, with smartphones buzzing with weather alerts and sophisticated radar systems tracking storms, one might question the continued relevance of tornado sirens. Tornadoes are notoriously unpredictable, capable of forming rapidly and with little warning. Tornado sirens offer a simple yet robust solution, cutting through the din of daily life and reaching those who may not have access to other forms of communication. They serve as a universal call to action, a stark reminder that danger is imminent and immediate action is required. The enduring necessity of tornado sirens is a testament to their effectiveness as a low-tech yet highly reliable means of mass communication. The wail of a siren is a sound most of us are familiar with, whether it's the piercing tone of an ambulance or the rhythmic blare of a factory whistle. But while these sounds may seem similar, there are distinct differences between regular electric sirens and those designed specifically for tornado warnings. Regular electric sirens, often used for fire alarms or industrial purposes, are typically designed to produce a single high-pitched tone. Tornado sirens, on the other hand, are engineered to produce a lower frequency sound that travels further and is less likely to be deflected by buildings or terrain. This lower frequency is also more effective at penetrating walls and windows. Another key difference lies in the sound pattern. Tornado sirens typically employ a distinctive wail or a series of modulated tones. Understanding these differences highlights the specialized nature of tornado sirens. Just as the sound of a tornado siren is instantly recognizable, so too is its physical appearance. The most common type of tornado siren is the omnidirectional siren, which radiates sound in a 360-degree radius. These sirens typically feature a large, rotating horn assembly housed within a protective cage. Another type of siren, known as a directional siren, is designed to focus sound in a specific direction. In recent years, there has been a trend towards electronic sirens, which offer greater control over sound output and patterns. These sirens can be programmed to emit a variety of tones and sequences, allowing for more specific warnings. Regardless of their design, all tornado sirens share a common purpose: to provide a clear and unmistakable warning of impending danger. The effectiveness of a tornado siren system depends not only on the power and design of the sirens, but also on their strategic placement within a community. The ideal spacing between tornado sirens varies depending on several factors, including the local topography and population density. In general, sirens are typically spaced 1 to 3 miles apart in urban areas and 2 to 5 miles apart in rural areas. This spacing ensures that the sound from one siren overlaps with the sound from adjacent sirens, creating a continuous blanket of warning coverage. Engineers use sophisticated sound modeling software to determine the optimal placement of sirens. The threat of tornadoes is not confined to a single continent or region. The United States has one of the most extensive tornado siren networks in the world. Other countries with significant siren systems include Canada, Australia, and parts of Europe. In some countries, alternative warning systems are used in lieu of traditional sirens. For example, in Japan, a dense network of loudspeakers broadcasts emergency alerts, including tornado warnings. However, there are still many parts of the world where tornado warning systems are limited or non-existent. The global distribution of tornado sirens and other warning systems reflects the varying levels of risk and preparedness around the world. The United States, often referred to as Tornado Alley, boasts the most extensive network of tornado sirens globally. With over 100,000 sirens strategically positioned across the nation, the US has invested heavily in creating a comprehensive warning system. The highest concentration of sirens is found in the Great Plains states, stretching from Texas to Minnesota. Oklahoma alone has over 8,000 sirens, highlighting the state's proactive approach to tornado preparedness. The deployment of sirens in the US is a collaborative effort involving federal, state, and local agencies. The National Weather Service issues tornado warnings based on radar data and storm spotter reports. These warnings are then relayed to local emergency management agencies, which activate the sirens within their jurisdictions. Despite some limitations, tornado sirens remain a vital part of the US's multi-layered approach to tornado preparedness. While tornadoes are less frequent in Europe compared to the United States, the threat is still significant enough to warrant sophisticated warning systems. NATO recognizes the importance of disaster preparedness, including early warning systems for severe weather events like tornadoes. NATO member countries have been actively investing in modernizing their siren networks. These updated systems utilize advanced technologies such as GPS synchronization and remote activation. NATO conducts regular training exercises and simulations to ensure that member countries are prepared to respond effectively to a tornado threat. NATO's commitment to tornado warning systems highlights the organization's recognition of the transatlantic threat posed by these storms. The European Union has taken significant steps to establish a robust warning network across its member countries. The EU's approach to tornado warnings focuses on a multi-pronged strategy. This includes investing in advanced meteorological infrastructure, promoting public awareness campaigns, and implementing effective early warning systems. The EU encourages member states to adopt a standardized approach to siren signals. One of the key initiatives is the development of the European Meteor Alarm Network, providing real-time weather information. The EU also emphasizes the importance of community-level preparedness. Local authorities are encouraged to develop comprehensive emergency plans and conduct regular drills. The EU's comprehensive approach to tornado warning systems highlights the organization's commitment to ensuring the safety and well-being of its citizens. From the wind-swept plains of the American Midwest to the rolling hills of Europe, the roar of a tornado siren serves as a universal call to action. These mechanical marvels stand as sentinels of safety, their piercing wail a beacon of hope amidst the chaos of a storm. Thank you for joining me on this auditory journey through history and technology. May the echoes of these sirens serve as a constant reminder to stay vigilant and always be prepared for the unexpected fury of nature's storms.